Alright, we think that the fermentation must have stuck to start with, and then started again when it's gone in the bottle, because the elderberry wine appears to be very fizzy. So we're going to void one bottle to see the extent of the damage. I hope this works.
Oh my god.
It's pouring itself out of the bottle.
The latest in wine technology.
That woodlice is going to get drunk. Smells good. It's still doing it. I'm going to be there for ages with that other one.
Yeah.
I don't know if they're salvageable.
It's starting to rain as well.
It's a sad day for us all.
Listen. And the verdict?
It's really nice, but it's really fizzy. Give it a try.
Whew. It smells like after you brew, like the what you put in the hydrometer. Whew.
Oh look, the bubbles are finally going down, but we've lost half the bottle there. Well.
Wow. Look at that. Oh.
Alright, we figured we'd try and salvage what we can by letting all the air out now and then pouring it into however many bottles we can. Hopefully it'll flatten itself out, but... You might want to take the lid off.
Oh my god.
Ah, you saved that one.
Oh wow. Oh god, oh god, oh god.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
And some sort of...
Oh my god, look how much is left in that one.
Wow. That's probably because I didn't open it not enough. It just ran away.
And much blood was shed.
And yes, there will be blood.
Not much wine left in that one, eh?
Sort of sediment.
Yeah. Well, that does suggest that it wasn't finished fermenting then.
Good thing we're a couple of wine connoisseurs.
Well, hopefully we'll be able to salvage some.
Yeah, well, we've still got white wine.
Yeah, that one's okay.
Sparkling white wine.
Yeah.
Looks like our party's going to need more alcohol. Or more wine.
Well, certainly from this one.
One glass of wine.
I can't wait to see the replay of that.